Hello guys, welcome to Amobi YouTube channel. If you are an iPhone user and you want to restore your iPhone to factory settings, then it's easy to do. So in today's video I'll discuss about how you can easily restore iPhone to factory settings. Here, first of all, back up your data using iCloud. For this, connect your device to PC and open iCloud and hit Backup Now option. Here in the first method, take your device and open Settings, then hit General and hit Erase Data option, and then all your data is erased and then your iPhone is restored to factory settings. This method is applicable if you just forgot your iPhone screen password. Here in the second method, just download any unlock from description, then hit Unlock Screen Passcode option and then hit Start Now. And here follow the simple steps as shown here, then hit Download Now option, and after that it will take some time to download. After that, hit Unlock Now option, then it will take some time to remove the lock, and after that your device is restored to factory settings. Thanks for watching the video, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment if you have any query.